In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid plagiarism in Quillbot, with proof step by step. How to paraphrase to avoid plagiarism. By the end, you'll know how to paraphrase clearly, refine the tone, and verify originality using Quillbot's built-in tools. I'll keep things ethical and practical. We're expressing ideas in our own words and giving credit where it's due. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type Quillbot, then click the official website in the results. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the tools appear and work smoothly. Once you're in, choose the paraphrasing tool. Wait until it's fully loaded, then type or paste the text you want to rephrase. This should be your notes, your draft, or material you're allowed to transform. When you're ready, click Paraphrase. Let the tool process for a few seconds. Review the output for clarity and accuracy. Make sure it preserves the meaning, but changes the wording and sentence structure substantially. If a sentence still feels too close to the original, tweak it manually so it sounds like you. Next, copy the paraphrased text by clicking the copy icon on the output side. Now move to the AI Humanizer. If there's placeholder text in the box, click the delete icon and confirm to clear it. Paste the paraphrased text you just copied using Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Click Humanize and let it run. This step helps smooth out phrasing so the writing sounds more natural and consistent. When it's done, copy the final version using the copy icon. Open the plagiarism checker from the menu. Paste your humanized text into the checker, then click Scan. You may be asked to confirm. Click Scan again. This part can take a little while, so be patient while it analyzes your text against sources across the web and academic databases. When the report appears, look carefully at the matches. If the checker flags more than roughly 10 to 15% overall or shows large contiguous matches, go back and edit. Change sentence structures, vary vocabulary, and add your own commentary or analysis. For unique ideas that aren't yours, add proper quotations and citations. Your goal is to reduce matches to short, common phrases or correctly quoted and credited lines. Remember, paraphrasing without plagiarism means expressing the same idea in genuinely different words and structure, while giving credit for ideas that aren't your own. Iterate until the checker shows minimal, acceptable matches, and you'll have clear, original writing that stands on solid academic and professional ground.